So you should read it. But what he says is also about power shift. It's not only a technology shift, and it's a power shift that if I am the one to judge and know how to judge these cells, I'm really important. But if I give away this power to a computer, who am I? What happens to my power? And I think that is also a psychological and human factor in not wanting to go to the disrupted business, because the power is shifting. Could you agree with that?
I can absolutely agree. And so what we haven't fought it, because the lab technicians out there, they're like, yeah, well, why are we gonna invest in this? You'll only replace me. But then once they start working with it,
together
they realize,
with it.
together with it,
Yeah.
they realize that this is having a great effect, because they're not being replaced.
No.
They are reviewing rather than doing the hard work. They're letting the computer do the hard work, and they are then sort of still being the specialists.
Yeah.
But it is true, we don't need as many specialists, but that's also been a vulnerability out in the laboratories. If a lab technician is sick, well, you're simply going to have to wait. And if it's a child with leukemia, you definitely want to have that sample being handled. So.